What is up, guys? This is your boy Northside Noah. So, little update to the channel. Kind of sad. I blew the motor in the Sportster, dude. I gotta pick up a new motor, throw it in this while I rebuild this one, or if I just gotta figure something out. So that's the update for the Harley. Today we're gonna go pick up a new dirt bike for my girlfriend, dude. It's been a long time coming. I went to the dealership and I just went out and bought her a 2025 KLX 110, and she's gonna love it, dude. That way, when I rebuild my KX85, we can go rip together, it'll be lit. She's been wanting to be a part of the bike scene, so let's get her in it. Alright, I'm gonna unload this thing. Alright guys, so we're at Freedom Cycle, Concord, New Hampshire, the dealership I'm gonna pick up the new bike at. Hopefully we walk in here and walk out of here with a brand new dirt bike for my girl. That STI is pretty sick. Hell yeah. This place is pretty cool. Alright dude, so we're out here. We're about to go pull out back and throw the bike in the back of the truck. This is crazy. They said I can't do any wheelies. Not one wheelie. But, dude, that STI is just killer. Oh man, I'm pumped, dude. It's gonna be so sick. Oh man, dude, she better be excited. I think I'm more excited than she is, to be honest. Alright guys, package is secure. 2024 KLX 110R. Dude, it's gonna be dope. She should be hyped. Shout out to Freedom Cycle. These guys are lit. They hooked it up. Dude, now my girl can finally go ripping with me. It's gonna be so much fun, dude. Yeah, it's gonna have a little bit of gas. I say just put your feet up and go.
Yeah, I know.
Dude, but take your time. I'm not rushing you, right? You're doing great. Good job. Stay over this way, it's kind of a hill. Yeah. She's doing so good, dude. Hell yeah. I'm so proud of her right now. Yeah, so get a feel for that, like, you know how you're kind of chopping it?
Yeah.
You could just like easy give it a little bit and just hold it and it's gonna hang out. You're so awesome. Dude, you're doing so good. High five. Do you love it? Yeah.
Once I get more of the hang of it.
Yeah, she's ripping right now. She ain't scared. Dude, she's hanging. All right, let's do the 5-minute review. Dude,
I need water.
you're killing it, bro. I think this is the bike for you. The perfect, like, match. You're going so fast. You're like Hayden Deegan. I told her to kick you into second gear. I think you did. It is. Yep. See how it got a little quieter? No, it's not. Never mind. Whoa! Now you are. She did a little wheelie. You did a wheelie. And if you ever want to get out of second, just kick down. Dude, she's doing so good. This is so cool. She'll think she's racing. You're doing great. Good save. Good save, dude. All right, kick it down, step on it. And now you're in first. You did a good job. You're doing a really great job. Hell yeah. So, how do you like it? Yeah? Yeah.
When I have a more open field, like nothing like big, I feel like it'll be better. I can rip it and not feel like I'm gonna like
Hit a picnic table?
hit a picnic table.
Yeah. Get it out of you. Ciao. Yeah. You're so funny. I love you. High five. You're doing
For
a great job.
4.
Yeah.
Ripping.
Pimped out. Yeah, I'm so proud of you. Yeah.
Whew, it's a workout.
It is, right? You make it look like light work though.
It don't feel like light work handling the bike. It's like,
I know, you're like going around corners, gassing, dude, drifting and stuff. Awesome. Kawasaki, like Kawasaki. Yeah. Hell yeah. Good job.
I love you.
I love you. Good first day of riding. I mean, you killed it.
I think we had an audio.
Did we? Hell yeah. So let's head back to the truck.
Okay.
Alright, we'll go ride back there. Alright. You're probably gonna be, oh no, you're not. Good job, dude. You're awesome. You're so cool. And she's off, dude. New bike, who dis? It's too cool for me. I'm gonna lose my girlfriend. Want a race? Lit out here. Dude, you smoked me in a race. Good job. I'm killing it on this thing, bro. Alright guys, so that's gonna wrap up the vlog. She got a new dirt bike. It's gonna conclude our day. She rode it for a little bit, had some fun. It looks great in the back of the truck. It's looked good next to my bike. Do you like it overall? Yeah? You love it? Yeah. Awesome. Well, you guys heard it. She's happy. She could be lying, but I doubt it. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. I'll catch you in the next vlog. Peace.